What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Kidpool from Deadpool and Wolverine. Apparently the worst Deadpool. Interesting. This guy. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So his mask is pretty much similar, except it's like looser. And he's got like stitching down the middle for some reason. Maybe because it's so small. I wonder what the story is behind the stitching. Anyway, center point here. So we start with the eyes, right? So center point halfway is about here, right? And we'll come up over to the left. And we'll start with those standard white Deadpool-y eyes. Just go up, across, down. Top eyelid line. Then we do the bottom. So we got like a little tear duct area. And then this curves over to there. And that's just white inside, so it makes it easier for us. Usually we will have a little eyelid line around here. And then a kind of a frowning brow area. So say like down the corner there. Sometimes you might have little lines just joining in there. So we do this same thing over here. You're about eye width across. So the width of his eye fits in between easily enough. And then his next white eye, just there. So that's about, can be a bit more even sometimes. Right, so width of his eye easily fits in between there. It's nearly exact, but it might be a bit more. But there's a bit of wiggle room. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we do tear duct back under to there. Then usually we have that bottom eyelid line. And then a sort of a frown that goes up and kind of down the back. And then we have those black shapes that are around his like eyebrow, right? And usually like the corner of it, like a good place, like the corner touches this part of his eyebrow, right? So it goes like up that way. Okay, and then there's like a little corner here. So it's like an arrow pointing up. And then these will come down here and in towards the nose. So we will just go this way first. I'll do this one first. Down towards here. And then we go back up. And then comes over and then down like that. So a particular kind of shape. You instantly know it's Deadpool when you do that. Down. And then it comes down to the bottom there. Then we go back up in towards the nose. And then back up towards the top. To there. Sometimes, well, he has like a cheek thing just under his eye here, actually. So it's a leather stitched on patch as well. So it has a line coming around the perimeter. So you just go around the edge again. Makes everything look a bit more 3D. And that it's like this leather thing stitched onto his red costume, not just, you know, not just like part of the red, separates it a bit. Right, so his face, right, so his mask is kind of like looser than big Deadpool's. So we got like the chin, say, there. And then the jaw comes up, but there's these like little sort of bumps on it as we go up, because it's kind of a loose fitting sort of thing. It's not like perfect. And then it comes up around side of his head. And he's got a big kid head, so it's like round. Yeah. So these are like, you know, little sort of folds and stuff on the mask here, because it's loose on the small head. And then we have those stitching lines that go up from the corners here, and then down from the bottom. And then he has the one right down the center. Can be bumpy. Like that. And this seemingly has like an extra little ridge coming down here. I think the other ones do as well, but I think we'll just keep it to this one maybe. It's like a little bumpy line. Yeah, maybe I'll do another one here. Yeah. Right, and then stitching, right? So you go these sort of X marks the spot kind of things every now and then. Right, you put one. You can do them red as well if you want. They don't have to be black like mine. Right, so I'll do a couple of X's and then like diagonal ones, kind of like this. And then there is some straight ones as well. So you just kind of fill up the space as best you can. And as well, if you want, they can be red. They don't have to be black. In fact, sometimes there's some black ones and some red ones kind of mixed together. And he's kind of dirty because he's a kid. He's got like textures and stuff. So he's got a hoodie on. So there's these two little tassels that hang down here. So I'll do them first. So you just do like a circle that kind of doesn't close here first. And then his sort of strings that tie his hoodie come out from this. Right, it's kind of black in here. Just a shadow. Then the hoodie itself comes around from the back of his head and goes underneath his chin. Now we do something similar on this side. It doesn't have to be the exact same. So like we'll go a bit higher up maybe. There. Because the hoodie's not kind of perfectly sitting. And then the outside of this goes behind his shoulder, down into there. And his neck, the mask is just like loosely sort of hanging on his neck there. This is just like the inside of the hoodie. So he's got a backpack on, he's got a sword, and then the big Deadpool symbol in the middle. So I guess we just do like his shoulders, sort of. They bump out here first. He's got like a black tee on, t-shirt sort of hanging out here. So same sort of thing like that. And then the straps for his bag come down here, and then they'll meet a buckle sort of shape down here somewhere. So like a square. And then a stitching line down the middle, and maybe like an edge line just here, make it look a bit 3D. Do this over this side. Or we'll attempt to anyway. So go. I think it disappears behind its jumper on this side. Hangs over on that side. So there's a red sweater there. Seems to disappear into his armpit on this side. Right. And then very loose clothing coming down there. I mean, you could put some fold lines on it if you wanted. Then he has a red section coming down the middle. It's kind of a wavy line on this side. It's relatively straight on this side, but a bit of a kink or a wave. And then there's folds coming across, like for his armpits and stuff. Quite loose. Then we have the Deadpool white eyes circle thing. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle, because you know it's on a bumpy sort of hoodie thing, so it doesn't have to be perfect, because you know his clothing has all folds and stuff on it. And then the black section with the eyes in it. So you have one here, it's like a semicircle, you know, half a circle sort of shape. They're black and then white eyes, so just cartoony, angry white eyes. Right, and then you can add dirt textures. Okay, and swords finally. So we just go this way. It can be bumpy because it has fabric stitched into it, and then it has like a little mushroom top sort of around here. Right. Do the same over here, and then there's like some details on the sword as well. And do the little mushroom top. What am I looking at here? Yeah, so there's a little sort of box in there. Like a mushroom type thing. It's red in there, red in there, and then there's only like, it's like a shorter sword, so there's like a diamond here. And then something closes it off. It's like a cap. Stitching. Like that. It doesn't look like there's any stitching on this one. And I don't think there's anything else on this. Maybe I'll just do some lines that way. Okay. Kidpool. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.